recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we are live. My name is Tracy Walker, aka your radiology liaison, aka PhD candidate Tracy Walker. If you have any questions about anything I say in this video, hit me up in these comments. I kid you not, I'll reply to every single last one of you. Without further ado, here we go. This video is about the Basinor lighting kit, and I'm going to show you how to install this into your car. And I went ahead and restarted it because now I know how to do it without looking at the instructions. And also, on accident, I pulled out the actual lighting strip. That won't be a problem. All you got to do is just feed it back through, because you can pull it all the way out, and I did it on accident, but you can just feed it back through. Alright, so I'm actually bending the fiber optics, but we're going to see if that's okay. But just stay tuned, see if you can zoom in right here. You get this little guy, this comes inside the packet. Clear that debris. So you're gonna get this little guy. It's not gonna hurt your car. And make sure you get this all the way to the very top. Can you see in there? Yeah. And just for starters, start it right here in that crease. Whoopsie. Come on. 3, 2, 1. And come on. Maybe I'll do it long ways. Maybe that'll help. Money. All right. So now that I got it started, and it's all the way at the top, you can just slide down with this guy, and then start pushing it in with your finger, and it's going in magically, and it'll fit. It's not going to hurt the car. It's not going to tear up the pleather. And it's going. We're almost done. Get that out of there. Come on. Opening up the center console, and I'm going. It's working, and you're gonna have some extra left over. Don't cut anything, because the extra is on purpose. And we're almost to the end. Bang. All right, and we are live, and we are back on the right side, the passenger side of the car. Make sure you get this guy all the way up to the top when you stick it in there, because if you don't get it right the first time, you're going to have to pull it all out and stick it back in there again. Okay. And once you put this thing in there, put it in there long ways. Come on. Hello? Honey? And now it's in there long ways. Going to start working it down with my finger without pulling this out. Scoot up. I'll get that nice pretty leg in there. No. And I've been pretty aggressive, guys, and I feel like I should have hurt the car, but I haven't, because this guy is supposed to come off. So Teslas are resilient. And look how slick that is. Bang. And you can either stop it right here, because this guy will still close, or personally I think it's better if you just keep pushing it in and just wrap this fiber optic behind the back, and then once you get your cigarette lighter, plugged in, it sends the light all the way through the fiber optic. All you gotta do is get perhaps a glasses screwdriver to come on, lock it in. And I'll just hold it in my hand so you guys can see what it looks like. Bang! And sometimes, got the camera on that?
On what?
Let me see so I can see that. Come on. You pull it out, but you can just feed it back through. Alright, that's a wrap, guys. If you have any questions about anything, hit me up in the comments. I kid you not, I reply to every single last one of you. If you got questions about MRI, CAT scan, X-ray, ultrasound, nuclear medicine, they're all 2-year programs. If you have any questions about that, about how much they pay, and how to become registered, just hit me up. Okay, bye. Alright, guys, there you are. We're in the car enjoying the fruits of our labor. And like I said, it looks better going behind the console and back inside. But look how slick that looks. You also need a screwdriver. The kit doesn't come with one. Alright.